Why founders need financial optionality. Previously on the rebuild, I talked about how I lost everything I built. I explained why trusting centralized systems can destroy a company overnight. I talked about why I'm letting the internet watch the rebuild in real time. Now the real question is, how do you actually build a business that can survive chaos? But before we get into that, I want to talk about why founders need financial optionality. So we'll save that for the next video. Losing the business hurts, but what actually destroys most founders isn't losing the company, it's running out of options. When everything collapsed for me, the real question wasn't, can I rebuild? The real question was, do I still have the freedom to try again? Financial optionality simply means this: you have enough flexibility that one failure doesn't end your story. Relying on one income stream, one platform, one investor, one bank, one opportunity, one dispatcher. When all your survival depends on one thing, you're one decision away from disaster. Founders need optionality to maintain flexibility, navigate uncertainty, and maximize company value by avoiding premature commitment to a single path. It allows adaptation to changing markets, enables strategic pivots, reduces risks, and keeps exit or growth choices open. Optionality builds resilience, allowing founders to seize unexpected opportunities and avoid being locked into failing strategies. Here are the top 10 reasons why founders need financial optionality. Number 1, adaptation to market changes. Number 2, increased valuation and exit opportunities. Number 3, risk mitigation. 4, avoiding irreversible mistakes. 5, talent attraction and retention. 6, optimal timing for exits. 7, increased leverage in negotiations. Number 8, optional resilience. This ensures the company doesn't fall apart if the key employees leave or if the business model needs to be updated. Next, we have strategic flexibility and funding. And then finally, reduce founder bottleneck. Designing for optionality means creating a company that can function without the founder, freeing them to work on the business rather than in the business. So those are the top 10, but the key insight is this: real founders don't just build companies, they build options. Multiple income paths, liquid skills, networks, adaptable businesses. That's the mindset I'm taking into this rebuild. I'm not just building another company, I'm building financial optionality. And the first step to rebuilding when you've lost everything is understanding one rule most entrepreneurs never learn. And I'll talk about that in the next episode. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss it.